That's our adult Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Hi. He's gonna make sure his friends stay here. Look at that. I'm talking about. Yes, that's what I need. Here's Shucky. I would want this, but I would want the pickle. I wouldn't want the dip. Oh, here we go. Dual drinks that we have. That's what I need. Ooh, punish me, Daddy. I say we'll try to get Yes, this would be a cute little place to come for my mama down. It really would. I am getting birthday drunk. Not slut ranch. It's a poor choices. Oh, a little ramen. A little blanket. Something hurt you? That's from Beetlejuice. Do you see me around here? I want to see your reaction. Sorry. Oh, yeah. You see who it is? It'll squirt gun. It'll be squirt gun. And that's what I mean. What is this big dick? That's what I mean. Oh, that's the truck. You actually I swear to God. Yes. You should dress and watch the radio. Oh my goodness. Oh. I want to go in here right before we go to the car, so if we want to go anywhere else, we need to go there first. I know, I'm sorry, his memories coming back. You got, what's her name? They go to cat food for her too? Yeah, I ain't splitting her. And this one you keep talking about. Because he'll come and look and go around somewhere else. Straight to the ice cream. Milk, plastic. Yes, give me that. Yes. These are one. No, they're not. Oh my God. Wow. Let's try it.
We had to go, but Babe thirsty ass wanted to try her drink. 8.5 out of 10.
She said, where he from?
Where he from?
And there her thirsty ass go again trying mine. Five out of 10. 9 out of 10 for me. 4 out of 10 for Bay. 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for Bay.
Fair the shit.
Well, we're gonna let it cook a little bit first, and then we'll put the sauce on there, and then we'll broil. Okay. So we're gonna put the sauce on. We're gonna go over to the
5 out of 10. 7 out of 10 for Bay.
talk that shit.
The absolute best out of everything we got. $9.5 out of 10 for Bay.
Shopping easy. But what if we made
10
it
out of 10.
smarter with a fully immersive
Store, a 360 pet care experience.
where you can touch grass, achieve total coat optimization intelligence.
On your phone or right.
I forgot to try my own drink. 4 out of 10. It really was just plain.